of the Orange Couch Crush Davis Expo edition, the show where we sit down and talk to fellow Davis colleagues and other industry leaders and ask them a few questions, to get to know them a little better. Today we're super excited to have Dale Riffenbark, Southeast Territory Sales Manager for Vanco International. Welcome to the couch, Dale.
Hi, good to see you. How are you?
Good, how are you? Good. How comfortable is the Orange Couch on a scale from 1 to 10?
After a long day at a show, it's very comfortable. It's nice.
Nap worthy?
Very much. I can see myself taking a nap.
What's your go-to comfort food?
Oh, that's a good question. Probably mac and cheese.
Oh, that's my favorite.
A nice cheesy mac and cheese.
Yes.
That's a good one.
In the box or homemade?
Preferably homemade, but I will not discriminate. For sure. If I'm making it, it's out of the box.
That's okay. What's a book or movie that has had a big impact on you?
Oh, goodness. Movie would probably be Friday Night Lights. It's just my favorite movie of all time. And anytime it's on, I watch it, or if I can find it on the plane, I watch it. So probably that one. Yeah.
Awesome. Can you describe yourself in 3 words?
Oh boy. Fun. Ooh. Goofy and energetic.
Awesome. I love all that. What are some new or current Vanco products that you are most excited about right now?
So we have a new product coming out. Our Evo IP 2.0 is the newest thing we're getting ready to release. So that's something we're all looking forward to and starting to push and get out there to everyone to let them know that it's coming.
What are you most looking forward to today at the expo?
Meeting some of the dealers that I've talked to and having them come in, see the product, get their hands on it, and start talking about some projects and getting Vanco in their projects.
Nice, so you're putting names to faces.
Oh, yeah.
If money weren't an issue, how would you spend your time?
Golfing and traveling the world. For sure.
Oh, yeah.
Some of the more expensive things to do, but if I don't have to worry about money, why not?
Yeah, for sure. Well, Dale, thank you so much for joining me on the Orange Couch, and we hope you enjoy the expo.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you.